Hello, my name is Siobhan Sweet and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade waffle cones, and these are stunning. Just listen if you can hear to that crack. That's how crispy they are, they're perfect. So if you haven't got one of the machines, you could just use a normal saucepan. I'm just going to use this griddle, but you can just use a normal frying pan non-stick. So I'm going to put everything together very quickly and show you how it's done. So in the bowl, I've got 50 grams of sugar. I'm going to put in there 1 egg white, vanilla extract, pinch of salt, and then just whisk those together. Add the milk, 22 grams. That's that bit done. Then we're going to sieve in the flour. Now, really important when you're making anything really, you need to make sure you get air in your mixture. So by sieving it, you're going to ensure you've got no lumps in there and the air's going to be nice and light in these biscuits. Fold that round. So it's a nice light batter. So once that's blended together, you're just going to add in your butter, and it's 14 grams of melted butter. And that's the batter made. How simple is that? So you can leave it to rest for 15 minutes. That will then just let the air bubbles settle. Once it's rested for 15 minutes, you're going to just put 1.5 spoonfuls onto the hot plate. So you're just going to place 1.5 spoonfuls onto the hot plate. Just give that a little circle round. You're going to take it to about 15 centimetres wide. Don't have it too thick. And then you're just going to leave that now for about 4 minutes. So once that's done on either side, just give it 2 minutes. I turn them over and then I just literally just pinch at the bottom and roll it round. Keep it nice and tight. And that is your waffle cone. And that will set up within 30 seconds. Once you've made your waffle cone, you can have it plain, or you could just dip it in some chocolate with anything you want to. So I'm just dipping it there, can you see, into some chocolate, give it a little roll round, let it drip off. And then I'm going to put some pistachio nuts on this one. Just drizzle those over. Leave those to set for 2 minutes. And that is how you make your perfect waffle cone without a machine.